I'm going to show you guys a really quick way of how not to get your necklaces tangled up. Instead of going to the store and buying like cheap jewelry like this, that it comes with this little extender and they're all like tied together at the end right there. I'm going to show you guys how to get this look with your own jewelry without it getting all tangled up and crazy.
Another said, no, it must be in the Middle East, in the oil fields, where there's an abundance of oil. The truth is, the wealthiest place on earth is not South Africa. It's not the Middle East. The wealthiest place is in the graveyards. Buried in those graves are hidden dreams, books that were never written, songs that were never sung, businesses never started, inventions never invented. I'm asking you to release what you have. God didn't give you that dream so that it could stay buried. He's expecting you to bring it out, to pursue it, to cultivate it, to develop it. We have a responsibility. God has entrusted us with gifts and talents. Don't take it lightly. Don't live passively, just taking whatever life brings your way. Shake off the complacency and get focused. What could you accomplish if you weeded out things that are not moving you towards your destiny? Where could you be at this time?
Look, I've been wearing it for like 2 hours and they don't get tangled. That's all you have to do is literally take 3, 4 of your favorite necklaces. Let me turn it around and show you. And have them all connected. Let me actually take it off so I can show you better. Look, that's it. Just put them in the actual largest clasp and then clip it together in the back and bam. That's it. Super easy. Then you won't have to get necklaces like this that are cheap or you really don't like them because they're tarnished. Those are real sterling silver. And so that will last me forever and they won't get tangled up. Boom, easy and simple.